These ERUIDI 20x52 binoculars deliver genuinely strong magnification that makes distant birds, wildlife, and ships appear impressively close without feeling overly shaky in the hands. The large objective lenses and quality back-4 prisms give a bright, contrasty image that stays surprisingly usable in dim conditions like dawn, dusk, or overcast weather. A generously wide field of view makes it easy to follow fast-moving subjects such as birds in flight or players on a field without constantly losing track of them. The binoculars feel comfortable to hold for long stretches thanks to their relatively lightweight, textured non-slip body and eye cups that sit softly around the eyes. Focusing is straightforward and responsive, so dialing in a sharp image from near to far distances is quick even for someone who is not used to high-powered optics. The included case, strap, lens covers, and cleaning cloth make the binoculars feel like a complete, ready-to-travel kit for hiking, cruises, stadium events, and casual stargazing.